Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your love bite. Let's see Cancer, what message wants to show through for you today, and please remember these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Oops. All right. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin. Let's see what's in store for you for your love life. And these are, I said, general collective readings, so don't take it personally, okay? This is for the collective. And a warm welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us. Subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay, Cancer. Oh, okay. Cancer, somebody wants to take action towards somebody who they feel they've lost a love chance with. This person is very depressed. They feel, their Ten of Cups is in jeopardy. Whatever mind games they probably played in the past, they feel like I'm the loser now because things are not working out with them and this beautiful Queen of Pentacles. There is an obsession here. Obsession to say or do something even if it leads to a fight. So, okay, let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start your reading. Okay, all right, sorry, I got distracted for a minute. And Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? All right, okay, thank you. Let's take a few from here. Cancer and your person, if you guys could say something to each other, what would that be? Cancer and your person. And if you're looking for a personal reading, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Let's take a couple from here. Cancer and their person. All right, good to go, Cancer. Let's start your reading. The first one here says, your coded cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the effing truth. It's the least I deserve. Maybe they feel their person has left them and gone off with somebody else. I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell that I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I can't just come out and say it. Damn. I have moved out of the energy of waiting for you. Instead, I've chosen to focus on healing myself. I haven't written you off entirely, but I haven't expected to hear from you either. I think this could be this Queen of Pentacles who's totally focusing on themselves now. Love and being loved is the most beautiful, crazy, unexpected, and magical feeling I've ever felt. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I love you to infinity. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I told you somebody did something here and now they feel, in fact, now they are the loser. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I can't face you right now because of the hurt I caused you. Can you ever forgive me? Loving you is knowing what true love is. There is no logical explanation for my feelings. My heart only responds to yours. You are my endless love. You're all I desire. I haven't been happy for a long time. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. Maybe somebody said that earlier, but now they've changed their mind. Or maybe the Queen of Pentacles is now saying, hey, listen, let's go our separate ways. You've hurt me too much. All right. So if these messages are resonating with your story, Cancer, let's start your reading. But first, we'll take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say to you. So my angels for Cancer, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Cancer. Blessing, learning, experience. So there could be a lesson in this. Whatever has happened, nothing happens without a reason, Cancer. Whatever has happened has actually taught you something. Maybe it's taught this Queen of Pentacles to have self-worth. Maybe they've started concentrating on their betterment and not wait around for some King of Wands. And maybe this King of Wands has also something to learn, that if they play games and they are too self-centered or too focused on their own, material pursuits or something, they are going to lose happiness. And without love, you cannot have a balanced life. So yes, there's been a lesson here. Let's see now. Let's start clarifying these cards, Cancer. So what's this Queen of Pentacles, Spirit? What do you want to say to us, Queen of Pentacles? Let's give her the mic. Queen of Pentacles, what do you want to say to us? Queen of Pentacles. Oh, not so many. Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Queen of Pentacles. Maybe this Queen of Pentacles has communicated something to this King of Wands, that maybe via a message or something, that this connection feels too imbalanced and I think we should go our separate ways. They feel that person has only been fooling them, and now this thinking that this is too imbalanced, there's no justice. What's the point of having a new start with this person? And maybe this Queen of Pentacles has already communicated that. Ace of Cups, Ace of Cups, Ace of Cups. Whatever was told, I think has... Oh, Queen of Pentacles again. One more. Queen of Pentacles. Somebody is feeling very unloved. They don't want to lose their person. They don't want to be single. They don't want their person to be single. They want their Queen of Pentacles. And if they've had any kind of toxic habits or whatever, I think this person is wanting to drop it all now, because they're feeling that, or maybe this Queen of Pentacles is releasing this King of Pentacles and saying, hey, you're creating too much delay. I don't care for you anymore. And I think it's over, which is kind of really affecting this King of Wands very badly. I think they're very, very depressed because of this halt or stagnancy that's coming in. They are seeing that this Queen of Pentacles is glowing. They are looking good, smelling good, and following their own passions, probably doing very well in their life, not fighting for this connection anymore, and halted this connection. So, 10 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. 10 of Cups. Yes, this person feels, oh my God, I waited too long. And my behavior of waiting too long. Just give me a second. I have to clear my throat. I'm sorry. So this person is feeling, my God, I'm losing my chance of my, 10 of Cups. And whatever games I was playing here, they're backfiring on me, because maybe, I took too long to decide or something. And they're also seeing that this person is only growing. This Queen of Pentacles is looking like the Queen of Wands and an Empress. An Empress is hard to find. And now they're kind of feeling rather foolish about their own behavior, or feeling that they took too long. They feel, now all is said and done, this is really burdening them, and I think this person is under a lot of depression at whatever has been revealed. 3 of Cups in reverse. 3 of Cups in reverse. This was sideways. I'm going to put it back. 3 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. This is Three of Cups in reverse. Oh, this person, whoever this King of Wands is showing up now. Okay. This person, maybe earlier they were very selfish, very self-centered. But now they're feeling the brunt of whatever they've done. They're really, they're feeling this Ten of Cups in reverse very, very deep. Because I think now their heart chakra is open. Maybe they have never been able to express how much they really cared. And now they're worried that they can't make this work between the two of you. This is making this person very frustrated, very upset. It's like maybe you guys have talked and had a fight as well. I don't know. But this Tower has hit them very hard. They are shocked that, this has happened. What's this Tower, Spirit? What's this Tower? That somebody is not wanting to stay stuck with them and getting out of this situation. Maybe their person told them that I'm not interested anymore. Yes, they want to say sorry now. Somebody wants to now apologize for their bad behavior. What's this Devil here, Spirit? Devil. 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 They're very worried that they are being released here, Cancer. They feel their person has blocked them off. They don't want them anymore. They've lost their chance of a Ten of Pentacles. They will never have them again. They can't see they can't have them in their future. They had maybe hiding their feelings till now, but now there's so much of conflict. There's so much of imbalance. This person is very frustrated. Be mindful of them because they can come and say or do something. They are wanting to fight with this Queen of Pentacles, like literally fight with them. They want to be, yes, this card just swirled around. I don't know whether you saw that. They want to fight. They want to come back fighting. Like, how dare you? I am this for you. For Queen of Pentacles, I want to be your King of Pentacles. Please don't leave. Even if they have to fight for this person, they are going to do that because am I right, Spirit? Yes, they want their Queen of Cups back. They love their feminine so much that they are wanting to fight for them. King of Wands, you want to say something here since you were the overall energy here? Do you want to say something to us, King of Wands? King of Wands, do you want to say something? They want a reunion, they're saying. They want to come back and have a reunion with their person, Queen of Pentacles. They want to be the King of Pentacles to their Queen of Pentacles. All right, so maybe they've learned their lesson and they are very, very heartbroken right now, or maybe they are feeling bad that they broke their person's heart. Yes, they are coming back. They have a lot of regret, they have a lot of sorrow, they're willing to put in the work, but they're a little afraid that their person may be very serious with them and maybe ask questions or guard themselves or something like that. All right, so that's all I have for you, Cancer. Hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.